Yes, hello children. Now, chapter 14, equation of a line. Now, already I sent the formula and also the sums, everything through PDF in your WhatsApp in the group. Now, for this video, briefly I am going to take. Now, the general formula for the equation of the line ax plus by is equal to c. Here x, y are unknown, a, b, c are constant. This is the linear equation in two variables, x and y are variable. Here, if c is equal to 0, this line will pass through the origin. So now you have to remember all the 3 points are important. Any point which satisfies the equation of a line lies on that line. Suppose I am taking the equation x plus y is equal to 2. 1, 1 I am taking. That means the value of x is 1, y. So see now you are substituting. It is satisfying. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So then this definitely these 2 points will lie on the line. Next, any point through which a line passes always satisfy the equation. Any point. Suppose this line is passing through 1, 1. It will satisfy the equation. And third one is very, very important. The given line will bisect the join of A, comma B. To here A, here B. Suppose a line is intersecting, it is bisect you want to find means, first you have to calculate the midpoint of A, comma B by using the formula x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint you will get. Now in this line, if you satisfy, it satisfied, then it will bisect, otherwise it will not bisect. Then you have to use in this chapter section formula also. So it is related to the previous chapter. So you know, all of you know the section formula, and whether it is dividing the line in the ratio 2:3 means what you have to do. First you have to find by using section formula the point P. Then substitute. If it satisfy, yes, it divide, otherwise no, it will not. Okay, then come to the inclination of your line. The inclination of line, everything you read in your physics. Inclination of a line is the angle theta, which is the line make with the x-axis. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So this line intersecting here, this is the angle. See now the angle from here you have to measure. It is the anti-clockwise direction. If the angle is anti-clockwise direction, then it is positive. And here this angle from here you will measure, it is the clockwise direction, so it is negative. So if the angle which make the line which make an angle with the x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction, the angle is positive. It make an angle in the clockwise direction, then it become negative. Then what is the theta? This is represented by the inclination is represented by theta, inclination theta of x-axis, every line parallel to x-axis. So what is that? If a line, if you are drawing any line, what is the inclination of the line? 0 only. Next, coming to the slope, inclination theta of the y-axis always what? 90 degree. Next, coming to the slope. Slope, other name is gradient. Slope is represented by tan theta and also is equal to m. M is represented by the slope is equal to tan theta. Theta is the angle which make with the x-axis. Now m is equal to tan theta if theta is positive. If it is negative, tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Now the slope of x-axis is tan 0, 0. Even the line which parallel to x-axis is also 0. And the slope of y-axis, it is perpendicular to x-axis. Therefore, tan 90 is not defined. Don't say infinity. It is not defined. Coming to this example, I am taking an example. Here the angle is 45 degree. It is anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, slope positive. Slope is equal to 1 tan 45. Here the angle is clockwise direction minus 45. Tan of minus 45 minus tan 45 is equal to minus 1. It is represented by the letter m. M always slope. Then suppose a line the passing through 2 point P and Q. One is x1, y1, another one is x2, y2. Then the formula you have to use, slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. All of you learn the formula. Be thorough. You will get 4 or 3 marks or 7 mark question from this chapter. So if you know 2 point, the slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now y-intercept and x-intercept. X-intercept of a line, it meet x-axis at A. Here see, this is called the x-intercept, and you know the coordinate of x line which intersect on the x-axis is x comma 0, and which intersect on the y-axis is called y-intercept. What is the coordinate? 0 comma y. That means this distance is y, this distance is x. This is called the x-intercept, x comma 0. This is called the y-intercept. The coordinate point of B is 0 comma y. This distance is x, this distance is y, and it is represented by C. That is, the distance is OB is called the y-intercept, and it is represented by C. Okay, the line means the y-axis is y-intercept. Now the coordinate point on x-axis x comma 0, the coordinate point on y-axis is 0 comma y. The x-intercept, suppose they are giving in the question 3, then immediately you have to write the coordinate point as 3 comma 0. If y-intercept is 2 given, immediately you have to write 0 comma 2. Okay, now how to make the equation of the line? There are 3 types of that. Type 1, slope intercept form. In this name itself it is there. Slope is given, y-intercept is given. This is y-intercept. It is represented by C. So you can take it as m comma c. Both are given. Then the equation is y is equal to mx plus c. Y, m is slope and c is y-intercept. Type 2, the point slope form. One point given, x1, y1, and one slope m is given. Then what you have to find out by using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Sometimes they will give the direct slope or theta, that is the inclination. Suppose inclination given, then slope is equal to tan theta. Here also in this place m, if they are giving theta, you have to find immediately tan theta. If it is anti-clockwise direction, positive tan theta, otherwise clockwise direction, tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta is the slope. Here also like that. Here this is called the point slope. One point and slope. Slope represented by m and point is represented by x1, y1, then the equation. Coming to the type 3, 2-point form. They will not give the slope, only they will give the slope. 2 points P, x1, y1 and Q, x2, y2. Then what you have to do, the slope of m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the slope. After finding the slope, any one of the point x1, y1 or x2, y2 you have to use and find the equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1 or y minus y2 is equal to m of x minus x2. So already I sent all this formula in your WhatsApp group, and also I send all these sums related to this chapter in the WhatsApp group. Students, all of you learn all the formula, be thorough and finish all the exercise. Any doubt you can ask in your class. Thank you, students.